Hello. So if someone is stuck into your bathroom, as you can see, like this part works, but what we see here is that the door is locked, and obviously like there's no way we can open it. And if something is broken from the inside and the person cannot unlock, like there's no lock here, then you can get inside using just a butter knife, because as you can see, like this lock here has this special place where you can insert a screwdriver or a butter knife. Each door locks might have a little bit different design of that, but basically idea is very simple. Like instead of trying to open the door here, you just put the butter knife into the opening and turn it until the door unlocks. And like that, it's open. As you can see, this movement does close the lock, and you can also open the lock. So hope you managed to get out of your bathroom. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.